Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. Today you begin a little bit of laundry motivation. So my laundry motivation is sometimes ADD, ADHD, however you want to put it. It's scatterbrained all around. You get it in a couple days. You get like 2 loads in a couple days. Don't judge me. But so today I was watching one of my girls, Bethany, Embracing Life, and she lives in Jamaica. And she does line drying, and it brought back like amazing memories from when I used to go to my grandparents' house. And the sun smelling clothes is amazing to me. So I'll go ahead and put those pictures of her video in her channel, and go ahead and head over there and spend some time with her too. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you ring that bell, a ding, and comment down below, how do you laundry?
Would it make you feel better if I say there's songs for you when you feel down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, gal, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Oh, I just gotta know. coming true. You're mine, I already knew. You dropped it gorgeous, but you don't have a clue. Your smile could tear me apart. I dwell with the strangely aching heart. Just hold on, you'll soon be mine. I know that you'll give it to me. So come fall in love with me, 'cause I know we're supposed to be. Let's go home to bed now. It's more than just a game for two. It's made for me and you. I stay in your head now until you're mine, mine. Let's go home to bed now. It's more than just a game for two. It's made for me and you. I stay in your head now until you're mine, mine,
If you are still here, you are the real, true MPV of that Family 5. I want to thank y'all so much for sitting here and getting some laundry motivation with me. Hopefully on this Saturday morning, you're able to get something done and have an amazing day. For we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation, inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. And guess what? As always, we will see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night.